Hey folks, welcome to Peapod Shop. Got a little something here I want to show you. Just got from Amazon yesterday. Purchased this for myself. This is an Uncle Henry pocket knife. Legendary guaranteed limited lifetime warranty. Whatever that means, right? Let's see what we got here. Okay, so comes wrapped in a little piece of paper. Nice, like that, whatever. Okay. So here's the pocket knife. And I don't have my, I do have my tape measure right here. So some things that I want to know about pocket knife, because I tend to buy the wrong one. But this is a beautiful crafted Uncle Henry knife. It's a 3-blade, and when the longest blade is extended, we're looking at, let's back him up this way, and I'm over 6 inches, almost, yeah, 6¼ inches. I don't remember what it says on the side, but 6¼ inches. Got 3 blades, got that long in the middle, got this short fat one here. Man, these things are razor sharp too. Don't play around with it when you open it. And then this one with the rounded pointed nose kind of thing. So 3 blades. There you go. And there you go. Kind of like in the picture, you see in the picture, you know, it's got that, looks like deer antler surface. I forgot what they called that, but you can read it right there on the side. But this blade is 6¼ inches long, and it weighs 2 ounces. I did weigh it. It weighs 2 ounces. And you try to figure out if this is going to be comfortable in my pocket or not. And this one is. You slip it in your pocket, and there's why they call it a pocket knife. And you have trouble finding it, and there it is. And they come in different sizes. I want you to see exactly what this is. Wide open with the blade, 6¼ inches. Weighs 2 ounces. Maybe you like something a little lighter, maybe something a little smaller, maybe something heavier, maybe something bigger. I don't know. But Uncle Henry, the reason I purchased this, I broke a golden rule. I left my other pocket knife laying somewhere and I can't find it. And that's a rule men shouldn't do. Your pocket knife either in your hands being used or in your pocket where it belongs, and I misplaced mine. But hey, anyway, I just want to tell you this is a great knife. It works well for me, and if you're looking for a pocket knife, maybe for yourself, or maybe start one of the boys on, maybe a young lady even, I don't know, but I recommend this knife right here by Uncle Henry. They've been around for a long time. They make a fine product. Works well for me, works well, it will work well for you. So y'all give it a look. And in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.